this is quite important, building a portfolio. When you're working with clients, actually the best way to get clients is to build a portfolio and show your work. So the best place is actually social media: Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube. As a video editor, YouTube and Instagram, TikTok, these are the most important places. So you can actually keep making videos and place them in your social media, and honestly clients will come. Because there were times, actually a client of my I edited a fun video and a person contacted me and he hired me full time for a company. So I think you should actually build a very solid portfolio. So I will show you my portfolio. So these are some videos I made, and you can see like this is a music video I made. Now if you, I just showed you this Google Drive to show you, to make you understand something. So when I told you this is my portfolio, and if you were my client or my potential client, how many of you would hire me? But what if I showed you this website, and when you're going down, you can see all my work, all the people I worked with, and my testimonials and my contact. You can actually go to my portfolio, click on any of these in Behance. Behance is actually a good place to showcase your work as well. So for example, if I go to short form videos and click here, it takes you to the video site.
How can self-care make your journey more manageable? Self-care is non-negotiable. Self-care isn't a luxury either. It's a crucial part of staying.
Now, if I show you this, how many of you would hire me? You get the gist, right? So without just showing things in a Google Drive or something, you can actually show your website, build a professional website, and also maintain a social media presence. Like, so this is actually a video I made for TikTok, and it kind of went viral. There were like 22,000 views, and let's just see.
Take off the foo-foo, take off the cloud chase, take off the Wi-Fi, take off the money phone, take off the car loan, take off the flex and the white loss, take off the weird ass jewelry, I'ma take this step, then I'm keeping off top off. Take off the 5K streams and the microwave beats, it's a real world outside. Take off the idols, take off the runway, take off the Cairo, take off the Sandro, pay 5 days stay, take a put a meal and follow. Take off the fuck love, take off perception, take off the cop with the hot pad, take off the unload, take off the unsure, take off the solutions I had.
Like when you maintain a social media presence like this, you actually have a good potential of hiring, like getting more clients. So one of the best ways to do it by building a portfolio, maintaining social media presence, and maintaining like upgrading your CVs as well. So I think that's it for me. If you guys want to contact me about anything, you have my number. We can connect from Instagram, and I would be happy to assist you with any video editing tips or places you are stuck. And if you are actually interested in doing making video editing a career, I can help you as well. So I hope you guys learned a lot.